children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 6th, Subject Hindi, Lesson 6, Topic Srimati Indira Gandhi. Children, we all must be knowing many things about Srimati Indira Gandhi ji. She was the first lady Prime Minister of India and she has served for nearly 15 years as Prime Minister in India. So, we'll move on to the lesson, children. श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी भारत की प्रथम महिला प्रधानमंत्री थी. श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी, as I told you children, was the first lady Prime Minister of India. इंदिरा गांधी समूचे विश्व की महान नारियों में से एक थी. She was one of the greatest women in the whole world. If you take the list of many great women in the world, she was one among them. She was not only famous in India, but she was famous in whole throughout the world. Everyone knew her, not only in India, but in the whole world. उनका जन्म 19 नवंबर 1917 को इलाहाबाद में हुआ. She was born at Allahabad on 19th November 1917. Okay children, she was born on 19 November 1917 at Allahabad. उनके पिता श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू और माता श्रीमती कमला नेहरू थे. Her father's name was Jawaharlal Nehru and her mother's name was Srimati Kamala Nehru. Who was her father, children? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. And her mother name was Srimati Kamala Nehru. उनका विवाह फिरोज गांधी से हुआ. She was married to फिरोज गांधी. इंदिरा गांधी बचपन से ही अपने पिता के साथ स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लेने लगी. At a very small age itself, as we all know, Jawaharlal Nehru, her father, was a great politician. So, she started participating with her father in all the independence movement. When her father will go for any movement for independence for India, she will be there with him. She started this work at a very small age. She started to join for freedom movement with her father in a very small age. उन्होंने पिता से राजनीति की शिक्षा प्राप्त की. So, after going for this freedom movement for a long time with her father, she learned politics. So, she learned politics from her father as she participated in all the freedom movements with her father. 11 जनवरी 1967 को श्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री की मृत्यु के बाद इंदिरा गांधी प्रधानमंत्री बनी. For the first time on 11th January 1966, Lal Bahadur Shastri died and Indira Gandhi was taken into position as Prime Minister. On 11th January 1966, after death of Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi was taken into position as Prime Minister of India. 1967 से 1977 तक उन्होंने 11 वर्ष लंबे समय तक प्रधानमंत्री का कार्यभार बहुत अच्छी तरह संभाला. From that 1966 till 1977, for 11 years, she worked as Prime Minister of India. And you know children, she was a very good minister. She used to take care of everyone. She used to help everyone. She fulfilled the post as a prime minister. She fulfilled her work over there. She worked very well for people of India. सन 1977 के चुनावों में हार गई. But what happened, you know, children? When in 1977 she lost. There was a polling once again in India in 1977. In that polling she lost and she was not the prime minister now. So after 11 years she lost the prime minister post in 1977. उन्होंने आत्मविश्वास नहीं खोया, but she did not give up. She did not lose her self confidence. सन 1980 में वे पुनः चुन ली गई. In 1980, just for 3 years she was not the prime minister, but after that in 1980 she was again elected as the prime minister of India और दोबारा देश की प्रधानमंत्री बनी. For the second time she again became the prime minister of India. इंदिरा जी एक शांति प्रिय व साहसी महिला थी. She was a peace loving lady, but she was very courageous too. She was not as she loved peace and she will sit at home and wait for everything, nothing like that, children. She was very courageous lady. She will face everything. 31 अक्टूबर 1984 के दिन उन्हीं के 2 सुरक्षा कर्मचारियों ने इंदिरा जी की हत्या कर दी. On 31st October 1984, she was assassinated by her own black cats. You know, children, when she was prime minister or any other ministers will be there, they will be having black cats for their protection. You can see many hero and all, they will be having with them black cats. They are for their protection. But here what happened, you know, Indira ji was killed by her own black cats. 2 protection black cats who were there on 31st October 1984 with her assassinated her, killed her. Indira ji मरकर भी अमर हो गई. But after death also she did not die from her heart. She, till today, she is there in our heart. We remember her each and every moment. We cannot forget her because she was the first lady prime minister of India. So we all remember her, not only as the people among the world. No one can forget such a brave, courageous and peace-loving lady. उनका नाम विश्व की महान विभूतियों में सदा स्मरणीय रहेगा. Her name is written in golden words in history of India and she is one of the most famous lady whole throughout the world. Learn to be courageous, brave and self-motivated like Indira Gandhi ji. Okay, children, now these are the word meanings for this lesson. Go through the word meanings and for question answers, we'll meet in the next session, children. Thank you.